All right. What's up, everybody? We live. All right. Holding the same bottom zone from earlier. SPX is up 70% for the ones that took the trade with me earlier on the spaces and in Discord. We're live on X and YouTube. Go ahead and send this out. We are just chilling. All right, for the ones that are watching the stream on X, if you could please like and repost the stream, would greatly appreciate it. What's up? What's up? And do make sure you go over to the YouTube side and like and subscribe. It is free. I appreciate you all if you do follow the Casey Trades account on X and on YouTube. Let's go, SPY. Same zones from last session. So last session I took calls here. I sold them here and right here. If you look at today's price action, you will see we hit the same spot again here. We went to here. And if you mark right up here, again, 683, look where that high is right there. So we did the exact same thing that we did on previous session again today. Difference is we started all the way up here and caught the drop all the way down here and then did that move. Today we started right here and fell all the way down and did the same move again. So today, my opinion, really easy day to scalp, SPY on SPX or futures. I missed the long right here this morning. I was managing ABGO and IREN. I was like, watch the spot here for the bounce. That initial green candle ripped. I didn't enter in on the back test because I wanted the initial and caught the move up. I did take a short up here on SPX, caught this big fat red candle, trimmed out, got the move down to here. We started chopping and hanging out right over here. I opened up an SPX Iron Condor, called that out live on X Spaces with Knots, and then sent that in the Discord as well. That position is now up 80%. So easy money over there. Those contracts are sitting at 10 from 55. Already sold majority of that, stop up, and that's that. So other than that, just been chilling. Biggest gains for me today were IREN and AVGO puts this morning near the open. Your internals are starting to curl up just a little bit. I know I sound like shit. I'm sick. For the ones that don't know this. We just had our first overextended tick to the upside about 10 minutes ago. Plus 777, best number of all time. VIX pulling back down a little bit. Ball did catch a little pop. Scalpy, scalpy. I think we close right up here. I think we just chop. So I said this morning. I said that move to the downside this morning. I was like, that was the move of the day. The money was made in the first hour of the day. If you didn't capitalize on the market in the first hour, I mean, you're just scalping to get yourself decent green all the day. Money was made in the first hour on the downside. There's a lot of different things to capitalize on this morning. After that, that's what I said. I was like, we're not going to see a move that's going to outperform that move. By that, I mean just the size of it. That move that happened in that hour right there, you weren't going to see that happen again or more. That was like a $6 move from SPY from top to bottom. Don't think you're going to see another $6 move on SPY in either direction. If you're watching on YouTube or on X, let me know what you guys traded today. What's up? What's up? Appreciate you. Live. Appreciate you, Liv. Yes, if you are new to the stream on YouTube, make sure you do like and subscribe. If you're on X, go open up another tab, go to my YouTube side, and just go give that a like and subscribe. Would appreciate it. Free to do so, and sometimes when the live stream on X is lagging, you can go to YouTube for better quality. Sometimes the delay is worse on X, so you can be up by a few seconds. Go into the YouTube side. Wop sent me a message. Also, I'm gonna spoil something real quick. All right, you guys know I use Bullflow for my options flows, a lot of stuff that I post out there as well. They've recently did some new updates as well with throwing on some things for gamma exposure. They have the heat map, they have the line chart, they have the full uh, sheet of it as well. So they're continuing to add more features into it. But I mainly love that platform, the way that it looks like for their flow and the alerts that it gives for everything. Um, so Bullflow and myself, we are going to be giving out some free subscriptions to the Bullflow platform. So I don't know when we're going to make the announcement and do the giveaway, but we are going to be giving away 3 free monthly subscriptions, 2 quarterly free subscriptions, and then one person will get an entire year free, an annual subscription for free to Bullflow platform. So 3 monthlies, 2 quarterlies, and 1 annual. All subscriptions we're going to be giving out. So 5 people, 5 lucky people, 1 lucky person for the whole year of free access to the Bullflow platform. So they messaged me last night They asked if that's something that I would be interested in doing for the Casey Trades community. So for all the people that follow along with me, that follow me on X, that's where we're going to end up posting this out. Stay tuned for that. We're going to be giving away some free subscriptions to the Bullflow platform. So I will make an announcement in Discord, and then I will also obviously send it out on X with Bullflow. They will also be most likely making a post, or we'll just one of us will share the post, whoever makes it. So make sure you're following me on X, turn notifications on. Make sure you're following Bullflow as well. So if you go to X, go to your search thing and type in Bullflow IO. So BULLFLOW Bullflow IO. All right, you're gonna see their little logo. It's a bull on a little blue wave. They have the gold check mark on there with 21.6K followers on there. That is them. All right. Make sure you follow them, turn their notifications on. That way, you guys do not miss the announcement for that giveaway that myself and Bullfloat will be doing. We love free. Free is our favorite four-letter F word. Well, I don't know about that. I don't know if free is my favorite four-letter F word. It's one of them. Watch Nike here, a little intraday cup and handle. It's in an hourly squeeze. It's been trying. It's been an hourly squeeze since Friday. It hasn't fired yet. Everything's still leaning, looking a little bit more bearish on it, but it's starting to curl. I think once it starts getting that break and close over 68 on the hourly, it looks good. It'll probably end up firing or switching bullish, and then it can fire upside, but keep that on watch. AVGO coming back down to the lows. Someone said, pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me, me. Ah, ah. Overextended tick, pulling back down. Rejection on SPY at the next zone. Surprise, surprise. We're ping-ponging back and forth between KC zones. Who would have guessed? Me, I guessed. That's why I'm up 80% on SPX Iron Condor. Woo! Small trades today, though. Couple $100 here and there. You have double NFP tomorrow. So that'll be interesting. When's the last time that's happened? Does anyone know? Has that ever been another thing? Has there ever been a day where we had double NFP? Or is this like a an anomaly? Once in a blue moon. Sent Knots the link to come hang out. We'll see if he comes over here. What's he doing? Is he still running? Is he running the spaces right now? Or did he close it down? I think he closed it down. We got 600 people watching this on X right now. Knots, get your ass over here. Like and repost the stream on X right now, or I'm going to shut it down in 60 seconds. This thing does not have 50 likes and repost in the next 60 seconds. It's getting shut down, and I'm never coming on here again, I swear. Like and repost. Like and repost the stream. It's 2 buttons. Boom, boom. Do it. Do it now. Just do it. What's that? Is it Shia LaBeouf that has that has that meme? Well, yeah, no, that was Adam Sandler, but there's the other one. Casey, can you look at CVNA? It looks good for a short. Bruh, I know you didn't just say that. I know you didn't just tell me to look at a trade for a short in which I'm already in. We're in this already. Not said he's gonna join us in a few minutes. Yay. Oh, dude, I know CVNA looks really good. The only issue with CVNA is one, the premiums are expensive, but they're also spready. Like you got to be careful with the ones that you take. You got to find the right expiration and strike price. That's the main thing. Um, I'm looking to actually add a new position on February's, but the issue is I just can't. I can't fucking find a good one. Chop it sideways, chop it sideways. Do you see all those GLXY puts? I did not. Let me look it up. GLXY. Let's see. The 20s. $20 puts for February 16. Two largest orders on these. You had one that came in about 2 hours, about an hour and a half ago. Yeah, 1255 and 1253. Someone spent about 505,000 on the first order, then someone else bought 26,000 contracts of those at 84 cents for 2.2 million. Let me see. Ooh, sitting right on a volume shelf right now, retesting an area from May 2025, around 2460. Looks ugly. The monthly is an evening star. I target back down to $20.25. I like it. I like it a lot. I would have liked shorting it better on a 26.65 break, but it is what it is. So okay, hold on. They bought those this morning at 72, and then they bought them again. Sorry, I'm texting nuts. It's chasing a little bit. Now, let me pull up the options chain on it. Where are they at now? Are they over $1? It was for what, January 16? Uh, they went to 90. So volume came in 1255. Yeah, between 70 and 75. They filled at 72. Caught the premium pop. Um, this trade would be nice if it can get back up to the 1124 high. So that would mean, or sorry, 1124 low, Jesus, which is the low from right here, which puts it at $22. So from right now where it's sitting at, if it drops down to 22, they'll go 100%. After that's $20. I don't mind shorting that thing on a pop. You're at 4 hour volume point of control right now. Um, any pop back up closer to 2550, I'll look for a short sniper short entry. Again, I think it'd be closer up near that 26.75 area, which I highly doubt that would come again, but would be interesting. Keep that one on watch. Scroll through a few things. Costco drippy drippy. Sideways. Sideways. Pull up skirt. Sideways. MU finally a new low. Hit that zone. Just took 1,000 years. I think ARM also looks good for a short. Oxy got obliterated trying to curl. Nothing. 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 XOM same thing off the lows got obliterated. Lift curling off the low. Cruise lines. NCLH. Whoa. CCL new high a day. What? Hold up. Pull up. Skirt. How much am I up? People will say it's fake. Ah! What does that say? That says 153%. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Shorty get down. Good lord. I'm about to go send that. Wait, are you only live here, not on YouTube? No, I'm live on YouTube. Should see me live on the YouTubes. Should be live. everywhere. Yep, we're live on YouTube. Just went and checked it. About to go make this tweet real quick though about CCO. Let's see. Let's see. CCL. I can't believe nobody wanted to swing that with me. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I tried for a week to get people to jump in on the CCL squeeze train that was setting up. Whee! All right, just sent that tweet out. CCL 153%. Daddy O. Bang bang. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Pull up skirt sideways. But yeah, those Galaxy Digitals don't look bad. That weekly can still break down lower. It's at a big spot right here. I feel like I would be chasing, but if this spot gives, then it's $20. Look at the volume of those contracts though. It's 48,000 volume. 48,000 volume today on those contracts. So that is a little abnormal, which is the things that we like to see. And the Baba calls coming in, 155s. I don't trade Chinas. They came in 10 minutes ago, but they just added some more 5 minutes ago as well. Sweeps. They bought the 155s at the ask for January 16 at 480. They bought some more at 5. Overall, 5.6 million. Man, that daily chart on Baba looks disgusting. There's big support at 150. That's where it hit this morning. Yeah, I feel like if you look at the overall flow today, there's 8.7 million bearish flow, 17.65 million bullish flow. So double the amount of bullish premium than bearish, which is good. But oh, I don't have those 140s on mine. Well, hold on. It could be different time zone than me. Different. Let me see. That is for ESC? Huh. Yours says 149. I don't have that on mine. I don't see those. Interesting. Maybe Geo looks like it wants a new low day. Ain't no way I'm trading Baba though, regardless. I don't care if it was all bull flow today. There was nothing but straight bullish flow. I still wouldn't trade that shit. Still wouldn't touch it. DKNG, I like DraftKings. Bought the equity down there, added some at 26 bucks. Yeah, on the dip. It doesn't show it on the daily. You gotta go to the 4 hour. Yeah, that earnings dip right there, dude. I bought equity here. Oh my God. So I got a level right there at like 36.3. Let's go DraftKings. Cha, 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 cha. Let's go DraftKings. Daily today, the downside looks like this morning just hit the daily 9 around like 34.65 area. Look at that. Got a nice green zone right there. Right here off the low. Nice little green zone, a little volume shelf, blue bar across it right there. And now we're back up here at the high. Looking good. I think someone said crowd. Let's go look. Crowd looking dumpy. Yeah. I mean, kind of looks like AVGO. Sell off, little consolidation, a little more sell off, a little bouncy bouncy, and then drippy drippy. Overall, daily, yeah. I mean, does that look just that looks like a giant Head and Shoulders. Giant Head and Shoulders, dude. Yeah. You got a small gap to fill down there in the mid 450s. It's in a daily squeeze right now. Looks like a giant flag. Look, it just broke that little higher low trend right here. Look at that. It came down to it, bounced back up. Nice. Whoopsies. It's breaking down. So now look for the move down to right here. And then after that, your I think it was like 450 area. The gap fill is like right inside here. Those will be your two big spots downside now to watch. Looks good. I like it. I like it. QCOM, I think QCOM's a good swing. I think it's got to buy some time. Let's look at crowd though. Sitting on the weekly 21, right at 490, just hit. January puts not too much volume. Um, Spreads a little brazy on the 450s. 420s, but delta's too low. I wouldn't even want to do under the 440s or 450s. QCOM 200 March. I do March. I do March or late 2026 or January 2027, but the earliest I do for QCOM is March. Yeah, I like the March ones. Crowd, the Januaries though move slow. I mean, they're up 110, $120 per contract gain right here. I feel like they should be up more than that, but yeah, a little spready, lower volume, but I do think AMD can be a great short as well. I do. I got a zone down here on AMD. It double bottomed kind of off of it early around 209.10, but I do think AMD can be a good short swing. It's just about timing. But you have that daily inverse cup and handle, and then the gap fill. I think you can get them moved down closer to 190. I do think it could be a good one. I doubt there's any flow on it today, anything that's interesting. Let me see. Flow's mixed, 12 million both sides. Bullish and bearish flow. New low Carvana. Yeah. I mean, your net gamma and vex still targeting like 240s and 250s up there, but I don't fucking see it. I don't see the vision. I don't. Yeah, CVNA and new low. I'd like to start a new position on CVNA. The issue is I don't know which ones I would take. Starting a new position before NFP. Yeah. Yeah, live a little bit, you know what I mean? Uh, Dude, these spreads go crazy right now. Like brazy, brazy. God, I don't know. It's hard to find. No, how long it took me to find the freaking January ones that hit. I don't know if I can take a February. Didn't ask isn't over $100 wide. It's freaking stupid. So dumb. The one that's not like $100 wide, it's like the 350s. Those are $90 wide. The 300s? Look how low the delta is though. 0.06. Who in their right mind? 0.06. Ugh. Yeah, at least those 380s have like 0.14 for January. I don't think I'll be able to find one. Spy doing nothing, chilling. Dude, CCL is gonna go back to fucking $30. KO starting to curl up a little bit. Lulu just made a new high a day. Jesus, sorry. Yeah, like, is there a leverage ticker for CVNA? Uh, There's got to be one, right? CVNX. Can I short that? No, they don't have options. The yield max, CVNY. I highly doubt those things move. Look at the spreads on those. It's even fucking worse. You can't do anything on that. There's really nothing I can do. There's no options on CVNX. I don't know. Trust me. Lulu popping up here, a little bit of volume on that new high. Nobody wants to short CVNA more than me. It's just the freaking spreads are way too crazy. Even the February's having. I think it's just the Januaries right now I could do. Just those 380s still. Still, I mean that in the 400s. 400s have the most volume. Deltas are at point 0.2. I mean those are always good. Those probably move the best out of all of them. I think those definitely move the best. But I mean, it's literally just the 400s and 380s. There's nothing else for January. CVNA is just those two. I mean, we'll see. Still interested in AMD. They're still buying the Duolingo calls. They were buying them this morning. They're buying $100 calls in the money for January 2028. I don't know why. For the for March, no, those are way too spready. think Palantir is setting up for a big move. Still rejecting the weekly high from August. There's been a weekly squeeze since Monday 17th of November. What's up? What's up? What's goody? Tell you what's goody. I think AMD puts is what's goody. It's all about timing. Said market leader Rivian. Yeah, she's back up there. Still got the alert set right up here. Rivian gets up to 20. I'm probably going to cover some equity and sell some. Cover calls up there on some. That's going to be that'll be a big one right there at 20. I just don't want to get fucked on AMD if it holds this freaking low. I want to get into puts so bad to swing this thing. Ugh. PGR. Progressive? I don't think I've ever traded progressive. It just filled its daily gap today. It had a squeeze upside that it started on Monday, December 8th, and it just filled the gap upside. Yeah, airlines look good. I like UAL the best. Check the flow. That was a good one. That was funny. You're so funny, CJ. That isn't Apple looking like a short. Um, it looked like a short on Thursday, December 4th, when it broke 282. It's already fallen $10 since then. I do think it could go lower. Could see him move down closer to 270, 268. Under that, and 265, 264. It back tested 280 this morning, got smacked. You got heavy resistance up there. There's a zone that I have that starts at 279.7, goes to 280.14, and that thing got smacked. Yeah, you're taking Valdez ripping, Vix's bear flag break down. Spy still holding the low. AVGO still sitting at 340. I'm gonna go check SPX. 100%. Yeah, we're good. We can close them out here at 5 if you want. I'm send the alert now. For Soxel, um, I don't see anything too interesting on Soxel here. 'We're kind of just between shit. It's an hour squeeze right now, but here, let me send you this chart. Ooh, let's go. Fat red candles are in. AVGO, new low of day. Palantir, fat red candle. Let's fucking go. Man, a hoodie. Obliterated. Costco trying to curl up. There goes UPS. Mentioned it earlier. I was like, watch this thing. You know, looking good for the squeezy squeeze. Now it's upside, so you can get that move to 101. CSX is trying. I think CSX looks. Didn't make new all-time high? Oh, not yet, but it took out the previous day high. It's above the level, looking good. Oh, MU moves, new lows. Yeah, I think Moo goes lower. AVGO already in that one. ARM, I think goes lower. It's almost down there too. Wouldn't mind getting into Moo. Oh, they have earnings this week? Never mind. Fuck that. I didn't think their earnings was this week. It's Wednesday? Yeah. Would have been a good short this morning whenever I did ABGO and IRVN. At the January 200s. Yeah, nah, fuck that. Carnival Cruise Line is ripping. Ah. Carnival motherfucking Cruise Line, baby. Go, baby. Go to 30. Go to 30. People thought I was crazy, but now I'm crazy and up 170%. The McDonald's chart, I know. I think McDonald's can be a good one too. It's trying. It's at the top of the range. I think she could go. It's in that daily squeeze. It's in that weekly squeeze. I think she can go. It's hard because like this is the rejection, but it is trying to get the breakout. So it's like this is where you would expect it to get slapped, but larger time frame looks like it wants to go. God, look at Norwegian. God, oh baby, look at them both up 4% today. Nobody likes trading cruise lines except for Casey Trades. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't lose when I trade Carnival though. You guys should know this by now. If you see me take cruise lines, fucking do something, baby. I don't lose on cruise lines. The CCL Whisperer, I try. What can I say? No, I did lose on Pepsi, but I deserved to lose on Pepsi because that was puts. I deserve to lose. I won on KO. I lost on Pepsi, and I deserve it. I deserve it. Does anybody else's like entire body just telling them that AMD is going sub 200 this week? Is it just me? Nobody else thinks it? Could just be me. On January 16th. Let's go check them out. Oh, they pricey. Them expensive ones. I wouldn't mind doing the 180s or 190s. Yeah. AMD's gonna fill that gap over to 195. That would be nice. Would be pretty brazy. AMD on the 1 hour, why would it hold? I know. That's all I'm looking at right now. Like why? Why would it hold? Just die. But it's exactly why I would hold, because that's the spot for it to hold. And market's looking a little perky up here into the close for power hour, so it's like VIX going lower. Your Vol D ripped, Vol DQ did not. Tech spending a little bit more time above the zero line, which is good. A little bit more bullish. SPY is looking good in the middle of the zone. Um, Again, this is where I said I think we close at. Would be right up in here near 682. Then 683. So essentially just in this area here. Good for the Iron Condor. It was easy cash today. Easy cash today. Yeah, coin's disgusting. I talked about this a while ago. I think it could be a great swing short. I just don't trade crypto names. I don't like them, just personally. Costco needs to do a reverse split, like by 10. Look at the heat map for the last hour. I mean, nothing except MU, AMD, PM, Palantir, and ARM. Of those five, I've talked about four for good downside. ARM is at the equal low. Bank's flat. Bull is dead. I don't know why people trade that shit. Why do people trade Bull? I don't know why people trade Bull. Uber still going lower. Yeah, nothing looking too interesting into the close. Nothing looking interesting. RKLB was a short this morning and it hit target downside. So now nothing. Meta does look good out of majority of the Mag 7. Been holding up nicely. Still can't get over this AMD. Still can't get over it. Everything to me is just yelling. Let's swing this bad boy short. Iran's coming back down. Just lost 36 again to the equal lows. I'm probably gonna swing AMD. Yeah, him's getting a nice rejection. Yeah, I'm looking at the 190s, 195s, 185s, the 180s. All of them look good. Highest volume on the 195, 190s, and then 180s. 180s has the highest volume actually. Yeah, AMD sitting right at previous day low, sitting at this morning's low. Just cracked it. Him just got a nice little candle downside. All right, I'll take a little bit on AMD 180s, 255. Nice candle downside on Hims. Hims, nice. Nice candle, Hims. Bring it down. I added to my position this morning here. The stop right above it is why that alert set right there, getting a nice move down. Just back to where it was earlier, but AMD catching a knife candle right now. More Uber puts coming in. Yeah, Trump is speaking. Said that he spoke with European leaders and Putin about an hour ago. Things seem to be going well in Ukraine. They're going to start hitting drug trafficking on land. Blah 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 blah. We got 30 minutes left. What'd they get? Uber 83 puts, January 2nd, coming in. Uber was a great back test and rejection. They're in the money puts. Look at this freaking thing. So look at that daily back test and smack. Yeah, Uber looks like shit. Sell that bad boy down. Oh, nice ad on Hims earlier. Oh, Yeah, great add on Hims earlier at 213 on these. They're over 230 now, so arm new low a day. Nice. Nice. Yeah, MU new low as well. Nice. Yeah, BE was on watch for downside too. Looking good. Equal low test and IRE end here. Do gotta jump off here in a few minutes. Spine Q's just chopping. Again, easy money on SPX for the Iron Condor. IWM are starting to roll. Looking weak right here. Watch Spine Q's to follow. AMD, new lows under 208. Sniper ad on fucking Hims today. Look at that. That was good. AMD puts about to be up $20 per contract gain already. A little something, something, nothing crazy. 255 to 275 here. There you go. Nice candle AM Dizzle. Nice. Him's moving lower with it. I like to see both of those go down when I'm in puts on both. Flush it down, baby. Flush it down. 280. My kids are going crazy upstairs. AMD drilling. All right. $25 per contract gain here, 255 to 280 on the AMDs. If you want to take a little bit off here going into the close, nice dumper right here. Nice move down on HIMS as well. All right. On a crazy lotto swing. Ooh, IREN new low day. Let's go. Carvana, $400 put, January 16, $900. Lotto. Senate. IREN, new lows. Where the put sitting at? Still sitting at 400 here. AVGO trying to break the low. Holy shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. MDT. Whoa. 75% on MDT. Whoa. MDT, baby. Oh, let's go. MDT's in that gap. Dump it. Fucking dump it. What a freaking swing, baby. Look at this bad boy. In the gap. In the freaking gap. Yes, sir. Short that bad boy up here. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They going in the money. In the shmoney, honey. Where's the tweet where I said I'm short MDT? There we go. Look at this tweet I'm about to send out, where I said I'm still short MDT and still long CCL on December 8th with one position up 150%, the other one up 75%. Let me send this post out. Free money. I have one left for plus 100% in the money. It'll go 100% before it gets in the money, but um, it'll probably be up 100% when it gets to 98. Once it breaks that 98, starts getting that contract in the money, I'll cover the other one. Close that on the small account. Let's go. 75%. Nice, nice Monday trading session. All right, I just sent that tweet out. If you go to my X profile, you will see. Quoted it from December 8th. I said I'm still long CCL and short MDT. You will see my runners there right now. Look at the timestamps at the bottom of those. Those are today's date. That's 153% on the CCLs, 28th are in the money for January, and then my MDT 97.5 puts that are up 75%. AMD, new low a day. 450 right here on CVNA. So looking for a 450, 448 break on this, and then a sell down to 442, 440. But I do have to jump off. Here in a minute. If you want to take profit on AMD and not swing, absolutely ain't nothing wrong with that. Contracts are still sitting at 280 here from 255. Again, nothing wrong with locking in some profits on this downside move into the close. So 207 break on AMD new lows. Unless something crazy happens and it gets a really big knife down, those contracts go closer to 300. If it goes to 300, cover. Uh, I'll cover more before market close. You got 5 minutes until MOC. Ooh, Bullflow just sent me a message. I think we're about to do the giveaway. Today? What are we doing? Oh, they want me to make the post? He sent me this to post. Ooh, so I get the post when I do this. Awesome. I'll do this tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow. Sweet. Nice. Bookie rookie is bad on MDT. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that means. I'm sorry. CVNA 450 break. Come on. Sell it into the close. Sell it down. Lower. Dude, what's the chances that Hims makes a new low of day before market closes? Oh yeah, MSOS cannabis ETF going crazy right now. Ooh, it's going a little crazy. Trump talking about the weeds. Yeah, yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. All right, let's see what MOC is here in about 2 minutes, and then I gotta bounce. Nvidia. What's going on with Nvidia? Oh, you're saying that's what was holding up Soxel. Oh, okay. That's certainly not AMD. All right, 350. See what the MOC is. AMD more new lows. 290 here on the contracts. Again, nothing wrong with taking some trim skis. Tassie with the Ripper stick. Oh, Tassie with the Ripper. Nice candle SPY. Not so much on Qs or IWM, just SPY. Just SPY. Small MOC, very small. 595 million on S&P, 193 million on the Nasdaq. Very small. Nothing. 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 All right. Well, good day. Good day overall. Love it. I'm gonna bounce. Love you all. Appreciate everyone who tuned into the stream the last little bit today. Trump's talking about the weeds, so watch your cannabis stuff here. But we have like 2,300 people who tuned into the live stream for the last little bit. So appreciate you guys. Make sure you do like and subscribe to the YouTube side. You know, for being sick today, we fucking crushed it, huh? Not bad. Not bad. Appreciate you, Womatic. Appreciate it. So, all right, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Later.